I feel like Zac Efron in bed on it. I'm not gonna stop. That's who I am. That's my plan. Hi, so I accidentally deleted the entire 20-minute intro clip that I had for this vlog, so we're just gonna recreate it right now. I hope that's okay. Oh, I'm walking to my car. Good morning, everybody. Lots of chaos trying to set up the camera in the car. Hi, guys. I'm currently driving to Starbucks to upload my video because my Wi-Fi sucks ass. Ha 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 ha. Whoa! Watch out! I'm driving in the middle of the road. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move. Watch out! Fun fact, when I was younger, I was gonna audition for Broadway with that song. Yep. You heard that right. I wanted to audition for Broadway with Stay by Rihanna. Oh look, we made it to Starbucks. Let's go edit our video. And scene. Thank you. Alright, got my video uploaded. Go watch it. Vlogmas Day 7, but this is Vlogmas Day 8. If you haven't watched 7, go watch 7 before you watch 8. Actually, it doesn't really matter because my life isn't that interesting that there's like a chronological order to the events that happen, but I don't know. Also, I'm driving the wrong direction.
Turn right onto South,
Bitch,
then turn left onto East.
Excuse me? I was talking. So my friend Rachel, hi Rachel. Rachel bought one of my items that I was selling on Depop, but instead of like shipping it to her, I'm just gonna go drop it off at her house. So yeah. Also, I'm having a little bit of a panicky moment because I think I deleted the whole first clip of today, which was like 20 minutes long, and it was really fun, but I googled it and I think there's a way that I can get it back, but I have to like download this really sketchy software. But in case I actually did delete it, let me just pretend that this is the beginning. Good morning, everybody. Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you.
Turn left onto East Thunderhill Place.
Excuse me, I am speaking. I don't speak when you're speaking, so please do not speak when I am speaking. Thank you. My eyebrow hairs are just too long. Sometimes they just go splat. Again, it's gonna happen. He wanted someplace warm and green. There we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Sweet summer evening. Sapphire skies. Been a man who never learned how to be free. Not till the day he died. Yep, you ain't running games. Say my name, say my name. What?
Arrived.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, no, I really don't think so. I'm out of school. This is not a house. Okay, it's lunchtime. Dun, 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 dun. Today we have a leftover Buddha bowl from last night. Avocado, broccoli, sweet potato, quinoa. The whole shebang and a half. The whole damn thing. Also, let's talk about today's fit, shall we? This is what we're working with today. The skirt, way too short, but it's the tennis skirt that I thrifted, so the environment. We have this pearl headband that I actually got from Target like way back in January, but then I had nowhere to wear it because the world exploded. We have this sweatshirt that Jules got me from New York, and then I have this like high neck tank top on underneath. It's a tank top, but we're making it like a turtleneck moment because it's hot out. And then we have socks and Nike Pros on underneath. But of course, I'm gonna eat, I'm going to edit, I'm going to draw pictures for people, and then we're gonna go take Instagram pictures because we feel cute. Ow. But I want somebody to come with me. I'm gonna text people. I wanna go take pictures with somebody. Maybe we'll have like social time. Social time? I wanna be social. Okay, everybody, I am on a mission because the sun is going down, but I need a picture of my outfit. And I don't know where to go because everything around my neighborhood is just brown and ugly. So I'm gonna go to the construction site and sneak in there and see if there's any good plain backgrounds. Oh my god, it's golden hour. Okay. I'm literally gonna run, but I look cute for once. Ooh. I look naked. We have golden hour going. It's go time. Okay, I don't know where I'm going. I think this is illegal, but you know what? The lighting's really good. I want the sun. I feel like Zac Efron in bed on it. I'm not gonna stop. Not gonna stop till I get my shot. No, there's not the sun. That's who I am. That's my plan. Bed on it. Bed on it. Oh, I'm glad I brought my water. I think we're losing the sun. Oh, and there's people. Okay. Oh, and there's more people. No, that's ugly. There's like a little cabana moment. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this is kind of a vibe. Think. The stools are bolted to the ground. It's like I could move one of the stools. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna set you up right here. Okay, that works. Okay. Are they candid enough? Okay, this spot isn't working. We need a new spot. Abort. God damn it, they're blurry. Fuck me. I'm losing the sun. I just want a good picture of me so I can feel confident and pretty. There's somebody. Okay, we're back to the cabana. Screw it. We gotta figure something out. Okay, it's decent. Oh God, why didn't I think of this? Oh my God, I got it. I got the perfect shot. But my underwear's going up my crotch. Okay, don't hate me, but like a basketball court moment? I'm struggling here, can you tell? I just feel really fashionable and I just want to be appreciated. We are currently watching The Bachelorette. Don't watch if you don't want spoilers. But Bennett shows up again. How do we feel, family? Scared. Oh God, no. This needs to go to anti-privilege camp.
I'm so sorry for making you think I questioned your integrity or decision-making ability.
Decision-making ability? What is that?
And I realized in that moment that I love you.
Oh no. He's so creepy. He's just eerie. It makes me really uncomfortable.
Just wanting to see you again and share this with you.
Oh God. He walks like he has a stick up his ass.
This is very hard.
No, it's not. No, you're not. Yes, you do. Oh God. Hi everybody. I'm gonna put you in the cabinet. So I'm currently having dessert time and I wanted to show you my favorite bowl. There's this bowl that I use by the brand Zogu, whatever. And basically it's a frozen metal bowl and you can put any liquid in there and it'll turn it into ice cream or a slushy situation. So I've made a good ice cream base here of bananas, chocolate, and a little bit of oat milk. Now, my bananas weren't frozen all the way, so it wasn't as thick as ice cream, but no need to fear, my frozen bowl is here. So I have the mixture in here, and you take a spoon and you scrape down the sides. Let me give you a closer look. So as you scrape down the side, it freezes and you keep scraping until the whole thing is frozen and it turns into ice cream. This is a two-hand process. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, this is after like another minute or so of scraping. It is ice cream. And it's delicious. This is a great life hack for anybody like me who's allergic to everything and can't eat normal ice cream. And I also can't do most like vegan, non-dairy ice creams. Not quite sure what it is. I just make my own ice cream. Now, that's not to say that vegan ice cream is bad, because vegan ice cream like the So brand, it's so good. So I put it in this cute little jar. Then we go crazy with the toppings. Y'all know the drill. I'm doing some of my granola that I made the other day. We're doing some cacao nibs. And my mom makes her own chocolate sauce, like vegan chocolate sauce. And there you have it, folks. This is tonight's creation. She looks beautiful. She looks stunning. She's ready for action. Hold please while I take an aesthetic picture. I got it. Well, folks, that's the end of today. I hope you had fun. Today's question of the day: what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? But you have to be extremely specific. Like, it can't just be, oh my God, cookie dough. No, I need to know, I need the whole experience. I need to know the place that you get it. Is it a grocery store brand? Is it a place that you go? Is it homemade? I need to know what specific ingredients in it make it so special. If it's cookie dough, what makes the cookie dough so special? Is there a lot of cookie dough? If it's mint chocolate chip, I need to know, are they specks of chocolate chips? Are they full-on chocolate chips? I need to know every detail. You could write me a whole essay MLA formatted, the whole shebang, I'd read the whole thing. For me, there was this one time when I was at my grandparents' house and I made this concoction, caramel cookie swirl type of situation. There was like vanilla ice cream with caramel swirled in with like Oreo chunks, and then on top I put like mini peanut butter cups from Trader Joe's, and I ate it out of this like kitty plastic cup. That's the vibe. Anyways, don't forget to answer the question of the day. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to take care of yourself today. Go make some ice cream. Go buy some ice cream. Go eat a fun treat. Make sure to drink water. In fact, I did it so you can do it too. And I love you, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, bye!